If you want to delete your N8N account, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct account because once your account is deleted, you may lose access to your workflows, settings, and account data. If this video helps, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials like this. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. First, click the admin panel. This is where your account and workspace management options are located. Once the admin panel opens, click Manage. That will take you to the section where you can control your account settings and administrative options. Now scroll down carefully until you see the Delete Account option. When you find it, click Delete Account to begin the account removal process. If you see any confirmation prompt, review it carefully and confirm the deletion only if you're sure you want to proceed. And that's it. Your N8N account deletion process is complete. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick guide.